Hello all, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of the video in the series JavaScript. Okay, in this video we are going to see how to use the const variable and the let, right, how we are going to declare the variable. That is what we are going to see now. Okay, let's go directly to the code. Okay, so we all install Visual Studio in the code. Hope you all install Visual Studio code in the in your machine. Okay, now let's go to the file. You should have created a file, and you should have created one saved as .js. Okay, make sure you are going to file and creating a new file and saving it as .js. Okay, now I'm going to use the let keyword here. Let, then sample name. I'm going to initialize a name here, with the reference sample name. Okay, sample name JS Testing Academy. Okay, so I initialized, I variable, with the help of let keyword, and I store it as sample name. Now I'm going to print it console.log sample name. Okay, if I run that, it should display testing JS Testing Academy. You should click the play button. Hope you install the plugin there. Okay, code runner plugin. Okay, so you can see, right, JS Testing Academy, you can get displayed. Okay, so in JavaScript you can print with the help of console.log. Okay, so I'll just tell you the difference between constant and the let now shortly. Okay, so I'm going to change the sample name to some other name, for example Roshan. Okay, so I'm going to change it as Roshan here. Okay, so with the help of let, we can change the the values here. Okay, let keyword allows you to change the values. Okay, first I showed as JS Testing Academy. Second, I was able to change the value to Roshan. Okay, so using let, we can change the values of a variable. Okay, but when you go for constant, if you are using a constant keyword, let me show you an example. So I'm changing the let to constant here. Okay, I'll change it to constant keyword. Let me try the same thing now. Let me first comment it, then let me run it. It should display JS Testing Academy. You can see, right, with the help of constant keyword, we are able to store the value and we can print it. Okay, but if I want to change it, right, and run it, so what happens? You are able to change it. Okay, so constant is where we can be declaring only once, right? It can be changed, but let can be changed. Okay, so that is the difference between let and constant. Okay, let me show you. Okay, example, right, URL. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.